Welcome back to the channel. The weather is beautiful and today is painting day. The trailer is ready for paint and we are ready to paint it. We're going to get right into it, but this is going to be a multi-day process. This might even take 3 days to get done between painting the white, the red, and putting the windows in for the big reveal. We want to do that all at once. We're going to be starting by spraying the white, then we're going to roll the red, and then we're going to get those windows in. As you can see, the whole trailer is white, but that's the first coat. We're going to be doing a second coat right now. It says to wait 4 hours between coats, and it's been
about that.
It's been a while. We're not going to film this one because white on white would be way boring to watch.
Yeah.
So we're going to get that done. We're just going to be repainting the white parts, not where it's going to be red up here. We painted some of the red spots just where the aluminum was raw and showing.
Just for an extra layer of paint.
Yeah, so we're on track. We're going to try to do this one a little bit quicker because it's the second coat. It doesn't have to be on as heavy, and there's less coverage to do. So we should be done with this tonight, and then red will go on tomorrow. But Ashley just got some bad news. Thunderstorms
Maybe.
could be coming. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. So it just started raining as soon as we were about to start painting.
And we almost started painting a couple minutes ago. It was beautiful out. But I stopped to send you guys a picture online of the trailer before we put the red on. And it's a good thing because it just started sprinkling, and if it rained on our new paint, it would have been a disaster. Picture red streaks running all down the white.
Although it's like stopping now and the sky is turning blue again.
It's cloudy, but there is some blue up there. I don't know what to do. We were so hoping that the rain would hold off.
I mean, the blue sky is coming.
We'll give it a few minutes and
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. We have blue skies coming in again. It's a risk.
But we're gonna start painting.
Let's see what we can get done.
It's definitely gonna need 2 coats, for sure. Yeah.
Good. And then I set it down. And put this in here. And I just don't worry, this is the first coat. The next one will look perfect.
Yep. First coats always look really terrible. Especially since we're covering over white.
How's it feel being stuck in those trees?
Smells good.
We're almost done. We're heading toward the end of the back of the trailer, and it feels so good, and it looks awesome. It is looking awesome.
And it's gonna look so good once the second coat goes on and makes it look more solid.
So some of you guys had concerns about the red, but we're loving the red. The red looks so good on here. It's a little pink right now, but it's gonna look sharper. And we got 2 rollers going. It's making the work go so fast. And luckily we have our free ladder that we found on the side of the road.
Yeah.
So we're almost done. We're gonna have a lunch break after we're done with this, and then go on the second coat. And then we're done. And the weather has held off, no rain yet.
Yep.
Looks good.
Okay, Doug just had a major accident.
The first casualty of the day. I was trying to move the ladder with everything in my hands, and I dropped the paint tray, but I caught it. Kind of.
And luckily it did not get on the White House.
Well, it's going into my pocket though.
So
yeah.
I would definitely get new clothes on so you don't wipe it on anything.
My brush.
Yeah.
Well, no. See, I can't get new clothes on because that would be detrimental to my new clothes.
Okay, so the weather is now changing and it's getting windier, and we felt a little bit of rain.
I just had one on my back. This came out of nowhere. You saw it. It was blue skies, a little cloudy.
The weather here is very weird.
Yeah.
One minute it's sunny and hot, the next minute it's like raining and windy and cloudy.
This could be extremely sad. We can't have rain. Rain will destroy this trailer. We'll be starting over.
Basically. So we just have to hope that all it's gonna be is a few sprinkles and then it'll pass.
I'm getting nervous.
Me too. Okay, it's really starting to rain now, so our hope didn't happen. Water is hitting the paint and it's creating droplets. That's not good. It's going to start running and looking terrible. And it's probably going to end up dripping onto the white. There's a big red drip.
Come on.
We always go through this whenever we try to do stuff. This is it. This is real life. There's nothing we can do. Look at this. All this work. What do we do? I don't even know what to do now. Wow, look at it now. It's just...
All we can do in moments of darkness is to keep on shining.